Do you realize that this is the moment to scale your e-commerce business with AI? Costs are rising. Competition is exploding, but the brands that move first, the ones that learn how to use AI and teach their teams to do so, will grow 10x faster, while everyone else fights over scraps. Right now you're standing at the same kind of moment Amazon had in 2001 and Shopify in 2013. The question is, are you going to miss it? Hey everyone, I'm Lex Mustafin, founder of Custom Product Builder and co-founder at Drive-by Automation AI. For over 10 years, I've helped thousands of e-commerce brands personalize, automate, and scale their online sales. When AI tools first became practical, I decided to test them out on my own team. Within weeks, we were doing what used to take days in hours. Support response times dropped by 70%. Our developers and marketers were producing more with less. We didn't just cut work, we unlocked a new level of performance. And here is the wild part. You don't need a data scientist or a six-figure tech team to do the same. Your own stuff, even interns can build automations that save you time and make you money. AI doesn't just make you efficient. It allows small businesses operate like giant ones. Let's be honest, the e-commerce landscape right now is brutal. Ad costs are up, returns are up, logistics are slower, and customers expect everything. Instant replies, perfect personalization, and next-day delivery. If you're still running manual systems, you're leaving margin, time, and sanity on the table. The businesses that don't adapt will drown in complexity. The ones that do will multiply. That's exactly why we built the AI for e-commerce webinar. A live, hands-on workshop designed to show you what to automate, how to do that, and which tools actually work. In just 2 hours, we'll walk you through how to build the e-commerce store of the future. Reduce the waste, improve customer service, increase customer engagement, convert your bloated catalog into engaging product personalization and configuration experience, all while cutting operational overhead. We've turned what big corporations spent millions on into a step-by-step system for smaller teams to win with the same technology. Here is what you learn inside this session. How to superpower your product pages, landing pages, and increase average order value. How to generate on-brand visuals and content automatically. How to deploy chatbots that handle 70% of customer questions instantly. How to automate supplier billing, inventory, and marketing workflows to protect your margin. Everything is actionable, tool-based, and ROI-driven. Not theory. These are the exact workflows we use at Drive-by Automation AI and Custom Product Builder to save our clients thousands of hours and tens of thousands of dollars each year. I built this because when I implemented AI into my own company, it didn't just grow revenue. It gave my team their time back. They stopped drowning in repetitive work and started focusing on creativity, customer experience, and growth. That's what I want for you. AI isn't here just to replace your people, it's here to elevate them. Seats for this live Zoom session are limited. Normally the ticket is $100, but for Custom Product Builder customers it's 50% off this week only. You'll walk away with checklists, templates, and tools to automate immediately. No coding, no confusion, just results. Click below to reserve your spot now. Don't wait until AI becomes standard. It'll be too late then to catch up. Join us at AI Start Academy and start transforming your business and your team. I'll see you live at the webinar. Let's build the e-commerce business of the future together.